Hey everyone, so I'm about to make some curry, chickpea, and potato soup. So I have some peppers and onions, some chickpeas, like garbanzo beans that have been rinsed and drained. That's 1 can. I have some carrots, some curry powder. The recipe called for fresh garlic and fresh ginger, but I didn't have that, so I'm using the powder. And then I have some potatoes, some chopped up potatoes, and there's some chicken broth. And I use this to make chicken broth. You just mix it with the water, and that's it. So I added the chickpeas and the chicken broth, and then I added some of the potatoes. But then I thought that I should probably wait until this boils and then add the potatoes, so the potatoes can like cook in boiling water. Alright, so basically I just put everything in a pot and let it cook for about 30 minutes. The potatoes took a really, didn't take long to cook through because they were chopped pretty small. It turned out really, really good, super flavorful, and it'll be easy to freeze. So yeah.